Yeah, Jackie and Taman, dozens of residents were evacuated from this building behind me. The roof came off due to those strong winds. Those people evacuated, some of them looking for other places to stay tonight, some of them being helped by the Red Cross. A roofing company has been here throughout the past few hours assessing the damage, and we have not gotten an update from them yet on if people will be able to come back inside the building, but of course they are hoping to be able to do that sometime this evening. This one of many examples of the impact of today's strong winds.
It's a little crazy and I'm a little shaken up, but I'm just glad we're okay.
Sarah Maychak, her dog Betty, and dozens of their neighbors were evacuated from the Willow Crossing apartments in Elk Grove Saturday afternoon after the roof of the building was ripped off by strong winds.
It felt like the building shook, and then I looked out and there was bits and pieces of the roof on the ground.
A fire department came in the building and they started banging on our doors telling us we had to evacuate the building.
The gusty winds causing damage in the suburbs and across downtown Chicago. Power poles and trees uprooted onto cars. This restaurant's outdoor eating enclosure blown into pieces near Diversey and Central. Police blocking streets until damage could be cleared.
Well, I didn't think that the wind was that strong. Maybe the roots are weak or something, I don't know, but I was really surprised.
A large tree blown over landed on this car at North Lawndale and Diversey.
A surprise.
A neighbor tells us he often parks in that spot, but last night it was occupied.
Very lucky that it didn't happen to us.
According to the National Weather Service, wind gust reports ranged between 60 to 77 miles per hour on Saturday. The widespread impact surprising to many as some are left looking for a place to stay or dealing with the headache of cleaning up damage.
Oh, I'm still shook. I have no words. You don't think that something like this could happen to you.
Major impacts on the sky today as well. 575 flights have been canceled at O'Hare Airport. Dozens more have been delayed. So a lot of major impacts today due to these winds. That high wind warning rather in effect, as Mike said, until 7 tonight. Reporting live in Elk Grove, Alyssa Donovan, WGN News.